Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the country you are watching me from right now. And thank you for coming back to my channel. And if this is your first time of coming across my channel, do well to subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first to get a video whenever we drop a new video on the channel. Thank you for doing that. So let us proceed. So today I'll be talking about a platform that you already know about because the advert is actually everywhere. We're talking about this app, the TEMU app. So this is the platform. It is TEMU. We are talking about their influencer program. Well, the influencer program is all about you and I getting the opportunity to promote TEMU's product on our social media accounts. If you have up to 500 subscribers on YouTube, if you have 1,000 followers on Instagram and TikTok, fine. But if you don't have up to that amount, there is no problem. You can still earn money from the program without having up to that amount. Yes, you heard me right. I know you have gotten so many adverts, you have seen so many adverts, so many videos on social medias telling you to type in their code. They will not tell you what you will do. They will not tell you how to start making money online. They just want you to register through their link and that is it. They will just drop you by the way. Meanwhile, in this program, I am going to be teaching you how to start earning consistent income with this platform. So the TEMU Influencer Program is a program that is designed for affiliate or for creators to earn money online. If you are a YouTube creator or an Instagram creator or any social media creator and you are not making money from what you are doing online, it is not really worth it. If you are not making money for posting pictures, for posting videos on your social media account, you are not actually utilizing the making money from your social media account. That means you are actually wasting your time. So I am going to teach you step by step on how to start earning this kind of amount you are seeing here. All this amount you are seeing, they are not screenshots. They are legit. All these are earnings from TEMU Influencer Program. You can earn as much as you can just by posting on your social media account. Post their product on your social media account. Do a short video of about 50 seconds or 40 seconds talking about their product and you will make this amount you are seeing here. All these are live earnings. All these are live earnings from the TEMU Influencer Program. So to get started with the TEMU Influencer Program, I have created a group on Telegram so that I can guide you step by step on how to start earning from this platform. So all you just need to do is to click on the link below the description of this video and join the Telegram channel that I have created for the TEMU business program, and also join our general Telegram group below the description of this video as well. Do you know the unique thing about this platform? Why I love TEMU Influencer Program so much is because they give you money to buy free products. They give you free money. You can order free products through the free money they have given to you. They called it seeding balance. They give you this balance. This balance you are seeing here, 382 pounds. You can use this seeding balance to buy any product you want on TEMU. That is one unique thing about it. If it is phone you want to buy, if it is kitchen utensils you want to buy, use your seeding balance, buy it, and in less than a week you will get it in your house. Use your home address, you will get everything you ordered with this seeding balance right in your house. TEMU pays you for pushing their products to the masses, for telling people about their product. They pay you also for doing video on about their product. They pay you for posting their links, telling people this is TEMU product, buy it. This is TEMU product, buy it. It's as simple as that. Stop wasting your time posting your pictures, posting celebrities, posting what concerns you and what did not concern you on your social media account. What does not pay you does not really require your attention, to be honest. So I want to take at least 1,000 students that I can mentor till they start earning. From now till December, I want to mentor only 1,000 students on both my Telegram channel and my YouTube channel. I just need 1,000 people that I can help just to equip them with this knowledge on how to earn on TEMU. TEMU is a great business that you have been ignoring, or should I say neglecting or ignoring, or should I say that you don't really know more about it. That is why you are neglecting it. But now I am going to put you through step by step on how to start up this business. I am also going to teach you from the scratch the first thing you do, the second thing you do, the third thing you do, so you don't have to worry about anything, so that before the end of this year you can start earning any of this amount you are seeing on my screen. You don't need to go and get a degree to do this. Stay at home mom, stay at home dad, student who wants to earn money. My aim is to equip or to empower youths worldwide. Instead of going into cybercrime, instead of ladies doing one thing or the other with their body to make money, you can use this to make money. You don't need an office space, you don't need a store where you can start earning. No, all you just need is just your smartphone and your data connection. I am not promising you that you will become rich overnight. No, I am not promising you that. But what I am telling you here is that if you are serious with this business opportunity, you will make money. You will earn legitimate income just by sitting in your home. Just by sitting in your home, you can make so much money. And with this seeding balance you are seeing here, you can get so many apps of your home. You can get so many things from TEMU. All they just require for you is that once you get those products, those sample products, you carry it, just do video, tell them, I got this cup from TEMU, I got this shoe from TEMU, it's gray color, is this, is that. Just tell them what you are required to say. And the moment you keep doing this, you will keep receiving seeding balance every time. You keep receiving seeding balance, and that seeding balance, you use it to order things you want from TEMU. Quality things you want from TEMU, you order it through your seeding balance. So you don't need to go anywhere. You don't need stress. You don't need to do anything else. Just to be uploading. Keep uploading. Be consistent. Just keep uploading. Copy and paste. Copy from TEMU, paste it on your social media, and get paid. It is as easy as that. So if you are serious with this business, join the Telegram channel I have created basically for this program. Join it through the link in the description of this video. I am looking at helping 1,000 serious people globally. If you are serious, share this video to your friends. Share this video to your family members and your relatives. Those people that matters in your life, those people that you care about in your life. Share this video to them. Invite them to come and join this program so that they will begin to earn from it as well as you. So all you need to do is just to share this video, forward it to them. Just keep forwarding it to them. Like the video, share it, comment, and let us get started. I will hold you by the hand. I am not promising to make you rich, like I said. This is for educational purpose. I want to educate you on how you can use this TEMU app you are seeing as an influencer to make money online. So join the channel now and let us start the class as soon as possible. I will not be waiting for everybody to join. I will start the class immediately the students in the group are up to 20. I will start the class. Let me teach you how you can make money. As you are selling for TEMU, TEMU are paying you, and also they are also giving you free money to shop for your own self. Imagine, which program have you ever heard or seen that has been like this, that have been doing things like this? is because they want you to be employed, to be self-employed, even when you are in your house without doing anything. Join it. Let us make money together from this platform. People are doing it. They are making money. Between now to December, I promise you that you will have substantial income. Substantial income only if you are serious with this business. Copy and paste and earn a commission. Do video with the free product or the sample product that they send to you and earn a commission. It is as easy as that. It's the same thing you are actually doing with your social media, posting your pictures on you going to parties, posting your pictures of being in the beach and other outing. But meanwhile, you don't get paid for it. But TEMU is telling you that come, rent it to us, let us pay you. How do you rent it to them? You come into the program, you register through the affiliate link, and you start doing tax. You see where they'll tell you share and earn, invite and earn. Let me show you. Let me go to my dashboard and show you something. Are you seeing this? This is actually my dashboard. Look at what they say here. They say post to earn, share, post to earn. Here they say you post reward. Here they say post to earn, share to earn. Imagine, invite to earn, upgrade to earn. All these are things, just simple tasks that you can do from the comfort of your own. Just be doing it, be posting. Once you post, you earn. Once you share, you earn. Once you invite people, you earn. It's as easy as that. Invite is actually very good because you want to share your experience. You want people to know more about the platform and how it works. So what you just need to do is post. Look at it. Post. Once you post, you make money. Once you post, you earn. So why don't you start posting and start making money instead of just posting your pictures without making any money? Join the group now. Join it today. I am starting the lecture as soon as possible. Join the group now so that you can start learning a skill. This is actually a skill. It is a business that can earn you a lot. Join the group, the Telegram group below the description of this video. Join also our general Telegram group so that we can proceed with this class. I'll be doing it part by part. Every day I'll be dropping first thing to do. Step 1, do this, do this, do this. I will take you by the hand. I will open a caution group that will enable you to communicate with me directly. So if you are ready and serious about this opportunity, click the group link below this video and join the group now. Most importantly, do not forget to share this video. Share this video to as many people as possible. Share it to your family members, to your loved ones, to your relatives. Let them join and come and learn this opportunity. Instead of you asking for urgent 2K, urgent 5K, urgent 1K, this is a business you can do and earn more than urgent 2K. You can earn more than urgent 5K. It's just for you to take it serious and join now. Join it now so that I will teach you. I will start the step 1 very soon. So I want to know how many people that will join today. Then it will determine how or when I am starting the first class. So join in, share this video, subscribe if this is your first time of coming across this channel, and let us proceed. TEMU is an oil well and you need to benefit from it. Not just having the app in your phone, also have their money in your account as well. Work for them through their influencer program and make money. Thank you for sharing this video and thank you for listening to the end. Don't forget to join the group below the description of this video. I will see you on the inside. God bless you.